Hey guys, I'm Emily from the Blue Mouse, and today I'm going to show you how to work a pass the slip stitch over single decrease, which is shown as a PSSO. So you're going to slip one stitch, and unless your pattern tells you otherwise, slip it purl-wise. So go into it as if to purl, but just slip it to your right hand needle, and then you're going to knit the next stitch normally, and then you're going to do what's called a pass the slip stitch over. So this is your slip stitch right here. You're going to go into it from left to right, and I like to kind of hold the knit stitch with my finger just to keep it in place, and you're going to pull that slip stitch over and off, and then you can kind of tension your stitch. But that is a PSSO, or a pass the slip stitch over decrease. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and I also have a weekly knitting podcast. If that's your thing, I'll link it below.